Okay, guys, on investing, one very important thing, the net worth spreadsheet. Okay. So, like I've told many times, this is not an investment advice channel. ना मैं आपको investment advice दे रहा हूँ, but this is a channel about self improvement. यहाँ पे मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप improve करो, life में अच्छा करो. So, investing is a part of making your career, wealth, life better. तो इसलिए थोड़े investment basics मैं यहाँ कई बार बताता हूँ, and it's really basic stuff. So, guys who are like really advanced into investing and all, yeah, you will find it very basic. तो there's no point you feeling कि यार बड़े ये तो इतना आसान है. ओके आप स्टड हो सर हम क्या करें पर कई लोगों को नॉलेज चाहिए तो मैं बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ एंड आई थिंक basics is what people often don't understand properly, so maybe it's worth it for you also to listen, but um, because useless complicated videos बहुत सारे चल रहे हैं कि ऐसे पैसे बना लो ऐसे डबल कर लो, but the basics means building blocks. So I have made a playlist on my channel on investing and you can see all the basics investing videos. So this one is on the net worth spreadsheet, which is another basic tool you must have in your computer, or maybe even on your phone these days you can do it, because that's a very important part of investing. Is your net worth spreadsheet, right? What is net worth? How much money do you have? Basically, कितने पैसे हैं भैया? जब भी कहते हैं कि आदमी इतना अमीर है, इतना रिच है, इतने बिलियन, ये वो जो आता रहता है, दे आर बेसिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेट वर्थ, मतलब वो कितना है, कितना तुम्हारे पास पैसा है, उसमें लोन माइनस कर लिया तो नेट हो गया, इसलिए उसका नाम नेट वर्थ है, वैसे वर्थ भी हो सकता है, राइट? हाउ मच मनी डू यू हैव? मतलब इन योर पॉकेट, इन योर बैंक, इन योर शेयर्स, इन योर रियल एस्टेट, in any other valuable things you may have, that total is called net worth, right? Minus all the loans you may have. So if you have a house of 2 crores but उसपे 1 crore का loan चला हुआ है, so उस house का contribution to net worth is 2 crore minus 1 crore, 1 crore. But assuming you have no loans, then your house of 2 crore is 2 crore net worth. If you have 20 lakhs in the banks, it's 20 lakhs. Like that. You have 30 lakhs of mutual funds, so you have 2.5 crore net worth. Of course, that's a nice net worth for a young person to have these days. So that was just an example though, right? So wealth is basically about net worth. when जब जो ये नाप रहे हैं कि rich people की जो lists आती रहती है कई magazines में, they are basically measuring the net worth. Now net worth और income अलग चीजें हैं, and both are important. Net worth is जिसकी इतनी wealth है आपके पास, कितना माल आपके पास अभी पड़ा है, और income is basically साल में कितना कमाता है, लड़का कितना कमाता है, सैलरी कितनी है, या बिजनेस है तो बिजनेस कितना कमाता है, that is income. That is also important. Business basically income and salary saved and invested over time. सेव कर लो, उसमें जब सेव करते जाओ और इन्वेस्ट करते जाओ, वो that's basically creates the net worth. So normally people who have been earning for many years, they will have a higher net worth. People who have been investing for many years, they will have a higher net worth. So income is important, but like I said, the net worth is ultimately the measure if you're talking about how much wealth you have. And now I'm talking of real money, wealth, and I don't want to get philosophical. कि wealth क्या है sir? Health is wealth. Of course, health is also wealth, and happiness is more important than wealth, and friends are more important than wealth, and flowers and nature is more important than wealth. I'm not debating all that. वो philosophical discussion हम यहाँ नहीं कर रहे. लेकिन if you are, since I said this video is about investing, you must know what your net worth is. And it could be zero. It's fine. I mean, a lot of people who are young here are students. They probably will be at zero or 3,000 rupees which Dadi gave for their birthday. That's okay. But you start with something. Everybody starts with zero. All self-made people usually start with zero, and that's okay. But this is your number. This is the thumb. Something you need to measure for all your life if you are serious about making money. If you're not serious about making money, तो फिर ठीक है, फिर अलग बात है. Then you don't need to do this. But I'm assuming मेरे चैनल पे लोग जो आते हैं थोड़े सीरियस है, कुछ बनना चाहते हैं लाइफ में, एंड मैं चाहता भी हूँ कि आप बनो. तो हर वक्त मैं ये नहीं कहना चाहता कि जोश जोश, मैं कुछ टिप्स भी देना चाहता हूँ कि कैसे करना है. सो आपका गोल भी बन जाता है एक नेटवर्क का, कि मेरा एक गोल है कि एक दिन मेरे पास 1 करोड़ रुपया होगा, या 5 करोड़ रुपये होंगे, या 10 होंगे, या I don't know, man, 100,000, whatever it is. So you need to do that. एंड जो ये सेलिब्रिटी नेटवर्थ कई बार बताते हैं, कंपनीज वालों का जो जो फाउंडर्स वगैरह, उनकी नेटवर्थ बताना आसान होता है क्योंकि यू कैन नो पब्लिकली उनके पास कितने शेयर हैं, उस कंपनी की कितनी वैल्यू है. बट ये नॉर्मल जो एक्टर्स वगैरह की नेटवर्थ होती है, it's often very wrong because net worth is a very personal number. Nobody reveals it. Nobody knows how much money an actor has because he's not telling you. So, fine. So don't take it that seriously. But for promoters, founders, company owners, it's possible because उनके shares publicly trade हो रहे हैं, हमें पता है उनके पास कितनी कंपनी है, तो वो अलग बात है. Anyway, for you, you have to make your spreadsheet because there is a very important saying: what gets measured gets managed. What gets measured gets managed. जिस चीज को आप नापते हो उसी का ध्यान रखते हो, राइट? अगर if you want to lose weight, you got to know what your weight is. You got to keep tracking your weight. If you never track your weight, you will not lose weight. Why? Because what gets measured, um, gets managed. Same. If you don't track your wealth, if you don't track your savings, if you don't track your investments, you won't ever create wealth. So I will tell you like that. So I don't even have to. There are many. If you just say net worth spreadsheet template, or Google it, you'll find lots and lots of them. Right? There are lots of templates on the internet, or you can make a simple table, and that table is simply items and value. Right? Basically, you will put your real estate, equities, FDs, saving account, cash, high value items, and less any borrowing. So if you have, like I told you, real estate of say 1 crore, and equities of 20 lakhs, and FDs of 5 lakhs, saving account of 1 lakh, cash 50,000. ऐसे ये सब जोड़ लो. That is your thing. If you want to put some car ka value or jewelry ka value, you can. Art, I don't know, whatever you might have, less any borrowings, and that number is your net worth. And below that date number of your net worth, let's say it's 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 50 lakhs, whatever it is, put the date and keep making different tables over different period of time, and that is the number to track. Year on year change will tell you last year मैं 5 लाख पे था, अब मैं 7 लाख पे आ गया हूँ, मेरी 40% net worth बढ़ गई है. Great. You should give yourself a pat on your back. But that's how it works. And net worth will not change so fast. It takes time, it takes earnings, effort, but over the years you will build wealth. How are you doing? You may not have much net worth now. It's okay. In fact, I don't imagine you will, because most of the people coming here are very young. And it's okay. It's your personal number. So what matters is the direction of that net worth. You बढ़ रही है. Everyone starts from zero, but you make this spreadsheet important. Look it up on Google. I don't want to recommend any one because then लगेगा मैं कोई recommend कर रहा हूँ. But you will find a net worth spreadsheet. Excel itself has Microsoft Excel has template. उसमें भी एक net worth का है. And suddenly you will feel like once you make this spreadsheet and you start updating it regularly, you'll feel like saving more, you'll feel like investing more, you'll feel like earning more, because of that very simple but very important quote I said: what gets measured gets managed. So start, make your net worth spreadsheet today. And yeah, like this video, comment on this video, tell me what you thought of it. Thank you. Take care.